It's here for Mensaka audio recordings be from various radio stations. Share the extra and say Ghana for currently almost South Africa. Yebeka se basa yo esi ewo hono. Ghana for no esre. Womo se sisi ade womo suro send answer kono womo suro se yebeku womo. It's here for answer yebeta so na subscribe na click notification bell no. And no na eda screen so sisi. And me breaking news no extra say xenophobic attacks akoso ewo South Africa. Na no will be a name the man asem ne bae. One of the recordings I met here Ghana near Wawa a South Africa ho. In some waka and say the Emma xenophobic attack no e baso and it's a foreigner be yabeka sa nipakuni ya Nigeria ni. Na sa Nigeria ni no na what ton indro bone ama South Africa akolabi. Ena South Africa taxi driver be hu ye. Now it has been a major concern. Send Ghana for yesu say and then robbery yachi obiana kidnappers yachi obiana ni pakuni ya Nigeria ni we no. It has been a major concern in South Africa. Womo say Nigeria for no air to ndrombone ama nkola no. Inti taxi driver ni hu say no. And our year na den say we be confront Nigeria ni no. It for me I'm very sorry for my voice. Now we so be confront Nigeria ni no. And ya say Nigeria ni no ye nim say one no kokun yo say den yo and Nigeria ni no bu onitio. Obo taxi driver ni nitio eno kun no nti no we emma South Africa for no sorry na ka say masa na mo amoti ye close ahase kan no masa ye pemo apame mo de dada because it's say mo say ye youth no mo to intro boni amomo ye pemo apame mo de da because South Africa the every single year xenophobic attack ekoso so say ye pemo apame mo de da na afemu asanso ebe kunye nipa na de ye ntiase e mamo nti e ho and I say attack on Nigerian shas here. Now it was growing. It was a violence there. And yeah, not it grew. It was growing. I'm say okay, after there. Wo bia we ye bibini I won't free South Africa biano. Ye the unknown so be fra. And yeah, this microphone so fra ya it for me. Ne work say a serious issue. And they work on Nigeria for so it declare Yebeka so mo declare war on South African companies and they say me no ka say wo Nigeria and also Sembonia AC wo ho ne say Nigeria for attack MTN any Shoprite ni DSTV because these companies are from South Africa. They are originally from South Africa. Nigeria for attack omo and then me hu video of Zambians womo so and there womo akwa attack the South African embassy it was Zambia womo omo mine so Zambia so attack Shoprite ni MTN. You know, acquire say it is an imminent war. And the local social media, every single person is talking against or is speaking against South Africa. South xenophobic attack in Semi. I've seen a lot of Nigerian performers. This month, I come performing in South Africa. Womuniasu womunkobium. Say for a year in some Kesibia. Can you uko social media South Africa for no say in some na shas no e say na e de bae Nigeria for so e say masa mu kun yan kro for yan tena say enhwe nti ni akwa say wo bia on the side of the story it in wutie two sides ni na wahwe baby a obe belong to because South Africa for no so say Nigeria ni na kun yan first na yan so ya retaliate afa mu boefu what you say it's no name sama koso but me ya say Ghana for Afra say Ghanaian embassy e South Africa the ambassador at the nsema betudwa say so far no Ghana ni bia ni ho a ya attack no no ye danyame ase na Ghana for wo mote ho per the audio amati wo ma confirm say indeed ye attack Ghana ni bia ye but wo mo say nyansem no koso no wo munya ya nanka wo mo beba back to Ghana but corona ntokwa na esi woso krona se be basabasa yo na esi woso no Johannesburg ho na ehya ase na Pretoria na chese a lot of other South African yebeka say towns and cities and communities what you say wo mo say krona wo mo be fa plane woso aba Ghana no eno na Johannesburg ho na ade na nkasa si ya ensem kesse se ye hyehye amansan ye kum nkrofo no ho na ekoso iti no so mo se omo kofa plane kra abagana wo mutumi ene se wo mo aka e wa akwantin fio at least omo ko South Africa no omo ko bo mo hu modern a wo mo nya ska at least say plane ticket de ombetumi atwa bi aba fie but baby on bekwa kofa plane no ehọ na ntokwa no ewo kese pa nti sisia no Ghana fo ewo ho no omo se sisia wo mo aloke omo ho wo mo shedem wo mo suro na I've even heard from a Ghanaian lecturer wo tra there ewo Pretoria University ewo South Africa wono nso say assembly si ye no school kra won ko ye obi a wo ye lecturer no o se wa lock ne dan ni windows wa lock bibianti ngrofo bakra wo mo hu ne se ebia wetu kwan ana we fi kro ne so but wo kro ne so a jano ne nsema ekoso Ghana ni bia wono nso ewo Pretoria wo se de ekono uhu shops a ebey wo mo a wo mo de eja to shops ni mo accessories ni na enti Ghana ni bia ni wa we pie Ghana ni bia ni wa trese we pie because South Africa for no oye den imene ye Ghana ni me hu obi a wonye Ghana ni ye ntrombo ni mo but oye den a wo be hu se ni pa ko we wonye Ghana ni ati ase enti South Africa for ne kra no wo mo hu Ghana for a wo mo be hu se we ye Ghana ni we ye Ghana ni we ye Ghana ni enti no eno ne nsema etiefo aba Ghana for was South Africa they are really calling for help but send your help no be kono and also any another matter because a chronic so the IA is very serious but aside all this I have still not heard from the African Union leader. I don't know African Union no you just don't know say African Union no krano sabe we are because officially we've not heard from African Union. Ghana there I can say Ghana for we will not wake up and go and attack MTN anyway. Ghana for no we are not wired that way. Until I can say but for sure other African countries are taking cue from Nigeria and Ghana Nigeria for sure say woman so omo attack South Africa for but no the mistake and Nigeria for so say some of these people MTN any ShopRite any DSTV no mistake and Nigeria for so say a franchise. Some of these things are franchiser. The franchise is owned by Nigerians. You ever say ebi a ShopRite? Yes, say ShopRite no if we South Africa. What you say? Say DSTV free South Africa. But ebi a seke maybe I will free Nigeria. Obetumi aka say okay DSTV say mo agidin na me pese me de fa modin so enya shop ni bi e wo me kuro nti woni omo ebe kwa agreement uni DSTV for na e won South Africa for na be kwa agreement no ma franchise no na to say why would you sika enebe si edan no and how the usika na be si company no e wo Nigeria but who the DSTV din no beto so because you've bought the franchise it's in a way no o brandi DSTV but Nigeria need dia wafa Nigeria for ejuma wom but sa Nigeria for ya wo say this South African companies are almost say wo mo ebe affect South Africa for wo mo nim say wo mo Nigeria for na dey affect because Nigeria for na akoto sa franchise no me nim say the America no mumu bi etiase a sa na eti intino de bia ye kan say two wrongs can never make a right. I don't know. Say me explaining no very cumbersome. So I'll just explain it one more time. You can't be say franchise. Nkofu bebre you find say Ghana has say wo share company bi to say girl young grofo say be wo moton oil. Na me ye sikeni na me pese me so me bie filling station. E bia me filling station na me pese me bie no. Edin a me pese me de to so Melodies filling station. A new name me de beto so Ghana for so de name and African unim say a new brand na din say nkrofo beba beto ade afiri ho enti de me ya ne say mekọ girl for ho na makoto franchise no atromo say me pese Miami filling station ba me pese omu din to so mame enti Miami filling station no e wo mimpotem me de Miami ka na esio but me the girl for din ato so inti Ghana for ho be so oh we there a girl for there a trusted inti a girl and a shell filling station for omodia what you say that's the same thing inti you can see MTN you can see DSTV you can see ShopRite a lot of African countries but directly no and South Africa for the be see wo ho ɛyɛ saa kuro ne so mpanyinfo a wɔn wɔ sika ɛna akɔtɔ franchise na efi South Africa foɔ hɔ nti wusu wubu efu South Africa foɔ na wɔn kɔ akɔsɛe saa Shoprite no ana DSTV ana MTN office na ɛwɔ wɔ kuro ne so a indirectly no ɛyɛ Nigeria ni businessman a wafa Nigeria foɔ wɔ edwuma hɔ etua wɔn ka no wɔn na wɔbɔ ne ka bati aseɛ akɔyɛ sɛ wɔde wɔn nsa baako ɛɛtwɛ wɔ bi na owurɛ fi sɛ train na aka no ɛtwɛ wɔ so nti no wei ne asɛm a ɛda hɔ kyɛwadwen I can say for a fact say Ghana there will be no attack on MTN and DSTV anyway because yes but mo kyɛ mo adwen comment box mo tie for me da say